Rocking, rocking and rolling.
Show your face.
I can't. Down to the beach, I'm strong. Lacey, help me. But the seagulls poke at my head. Not fun. I said seagulls. Stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did. And they did. Had me going like, let me see. Nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing. And then got hit in the neck with hack. Where'd it come from? Gotta run, run, run and jump. I could be a backpack while you run. Run, run, run and jump. Now stop. Put me down. I like to groove and boogie. Yeah. Show you some dance moves. If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outdone those birds. You're a psycho wiener. Let me grab my beater. Stop it, please. Okay, we're not doing that part. What's that smell? You put a fish in our basket. Oh yeah, I forgot I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath, see? Time is right. Birds will bite your face.
Ow.
One time, I was walking and I found this big log and I rolled it over and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was all like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, when you get older, you could get hit by a boulder. And while you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. Seagulls, poke your knees. Gotta run, run, run and jump. I could be a backpack while you run. Run, run, run and jump. Now stop. Breathe. That's good. You're not my friend. You didn't like it? Dude, you're cheesy. Don't fall asleep. Can I turn off now?
Y'all have fucking issues.